students. Today we will discuss about the population. In geography class 12, our second chapter is population. The world population today we discuss about the population distribution, density and growth. So let me start the revision work of your second chapter, the population. World population topic is the world population. So first of all, remember this quotation, the people of a country, its real wealth. Always remember that every people, every person is very important for every country, because every country developed by the people. So let us start. First of all, we talk about the top 5 population countries. Top 5 populous countries are: first is China. You know very well that as per the population record to the census, the first country is population of China. Now the second is India. India is second largest population country in the world. The growth of population in India is very rapidly, but some years we control the population and less the percentage of population growth. Now the third country is USA, United States of America. It is the, as per the rate of growth, third population countries. Fourth is Indonesia and fifth is Brazil. These are our 5 top population growth countries. Now we discuss about the density of population. What is the factor of density of population? How we can calculate the density of an area population of the country population density? So the formula is population oblique area. This is the simple formula to calculate the density of population growth. Example, density near about 1,15,000 oblique divide 100, calculate is 1500 person per square kilometer. So this is very simple formula to calculate the density of population in any area. Now we discuss about the geographical factor. What are the geographical factor which is affect directly to population growth? Or we can say that the which factor are to increase the population growth. The first factor is landforms. Landforms, which is, you can say in Hindi, स्थलाकृति या भूआकृति, भूभाग, कई नामों से इसको जाना जाता है. इसलिए सबसे पहले बात आती है लैंडफॉर्म्स की. लैंडफॉर्म्स आर द इंपॉर्टेंट फैक्टर which is growth of population directly affected by the landforms. Every person want to settle in better landforms. Landforms is the main factor of density growth. Generally, all of you know that people living in a flat and gentle slope landforms. This is the main factor. And now the second factor is availability of water. जल की उपलब्धता. जल की उपलब्धता मनुष्य को आकर्षित करती है. जहाँ जल शुद्ध और बहुतायत मात्रा में प्राप्त होता है, सुगमता से प्राप्त होता है, जल मुख्य फैक्टर है. वाटर इज द इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्टर टू ग्रोथ द पॉपुलेशन. दिस इज द बेसिक नीड ऑफ ह्यूमन बीइंग्स. Without water we can't live, as you know. So water availability is the most important factor to density of growth or the growth population. Now the third factor is climate. Climate, जिसे हम जलवायु के नाम से भी जानते हैं, this is the most important part to population growth. Population growth are dependent on the climate. Every person want to live in a better climate. The climatic factor are more. Generally, all of you know that air, land, soil, water, vegetation. These are the some important climatic factor. Beside these are the climatic condition, the humidity, moisture, air, and many more. Now the fourth part is the soil. Soil are the important part of the geographical factor for population growth of an area, of any country, of any place. This is the very important part. For soil is also important for living person, agriculture, and the shelter for human person. So these are the geographical important factor: availability of water, landform, climate, and soil. So the population of growth is the important factor, and we discuss in this part the what is the factor and what is the density of population, how we can calculate. Now we discuss the next part in our next video. So thank you, have a nice day.